gonna make a quick video for you guys. It's the 1996 Mazda b3000. I'm doing a heater core flush. I noticed I didn't have any heat the other day, so I assumed it was this, and it was. I discovered a blockage. So there's just the outline down at the bottom in the return line here, and that's where your heater core is in behind the dash. So this is out and return. So what I did is I took those off with these pinch clamps and poured water into the hose, and then I put this air nozzle on. My dad had this laying around. I just pump it through. And I noticed when I did that, all this crap came out and a blockage shot out and cleaned out the system. So I just kept doing that back and forth, and I filled up this hose and put the, you could just use a gun, air gun attachment or whatever you have, but this is just what I had at the time. So, but yeah, just went back and forth with it, just with water, and then obviously flush your water out when you're done, and then put your ride fluid back in. And then just for flushing this out, there's a plastic drain plug at the bottom right there. I don't know if you can see that, but you pull that drain plug, drain all the old stuff out, and then flush it through a couple times with water, and then make sure you flush the water out of the system too, because you don't want water in the heat exchanger. And then on your reservoir tank, your overflow tank, there's a line that comes out the bottom. This line here. This hose, you will find it laying across, going back into this plug-in on the heat exchanger. So to drain this reservoir tank, you just unplug this hose and then put it under the truck and drain that.